Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to take a photograph of a Christmas present and wrap it using the drawing tools in Adobe Express. Start by opening up a new drawing project. If the template menu opens, click the cross to close it. We're going to start by adding an image of our toy. So using the menu on the left-hand side, click Image, then click Upload from Device. If you already have a photograph of your toy in your photo library, you can upload it here, or you can click Take Photo to take a picture of your toy. Position your toy so it's in the middle of your screen. And when you're happy, click the Shutter button on the right-hand side to take a picture. If you're happy with your picture, you can press Use Photo to save your picture into Adobe Express. We can resize our image by grabbing the little circles in the corners of the image and pulling them to make the image bigger. I'm going to do this with the bottom left corner and the top right corner until my image fills the page. Now we have our picture. It's time to wrap it. Using the menu on the left-hand side, we're going to select Brush. We're going to start with the hard round brush, but we need to change the colour. We're going to choose a colour that's not in our image, so I'm going to select this bright green. I also need to change the size of the brush. I want to make it smaller. I'm going to slide the slider down until it gets to about 25. Now my brush is set up, I'm going to very carefully trace around the outside edge of my toy. If you need to lift your pen or your finger off the screen, that's fine. But when you put it back down, make sure that you're starting at the same point that you finished. We want to make sure that we have one continuous line going all the way around our object. We're going to go back to our menu on the left-hand side, and this time we're going to select Fill. You need to choose the same colour to fill your object as you used for your outline. Double tap inside your outline to completely fill the area. Your toy is now completely wrapped and hidden from sight, but it's not very interesting. We're going to use the different brushes in different colours to create some bright and colourful Christmas wrapping paper. I want to add some bright red lines onto my wrapping paper, but it's quite hard to stay in the lines if I just draw it by hand. You can see here as I'm drawing my lines, I'm going over the edge. I'm going to press Undo by clicking the arrow in the top right corner, and I'm going to turn on Colouring mode to help me stay in the lines. Now, when I put my pen onto the green area, I cannot draw outside it, so I can draw some nice straight lines across my wrapping paper without worrying about going over the edge. I can also use the snapping tool. If my line is a little bit wobbly, I can hold it for a second, and Adobe Express will snap it into a nice straight line. I can use any of the brushes and any colour to create my wrapping paper, so you can use your imagination and your creativity skills to create some fun and festive wrapping paper to hide your toy. You could also be creative and add a ribbon, or a bow, or perhaps a little tag saying who the present is for and who it's from. When you're happy with your wrapped present, we're going to give the project a title by clicking in the top left corner. I'm going to call this one Wrapped Present. And then we're going to download the photograph onto our iPad by clicking the Download button in the top right corner and pressing Download again to save it to the camera roll. We hope you enjoyed learning how to wrap a toy using the drawing tools in Adobe Express. Why not try this with a different toy and see if you can get your friends and family to guess what's underneath your wrapping paper?